20 WPM English shorthand dictation. Be ready for it. Start. Para. The special appeal defective number 884 of 2015 are distinguishable. Full stop. The distinction between the facts of the present case and the facts which were under consideration before the division bench in the special appeal lie relation to the date on which right of consideration for grant of out of turn promotion crystallized in favor of the petitioner in this writ petition and the persons who were seeking out of turn promotion in the case of Mahavir Singh in bracket Supra. Full stop. There is no dispute that all the matters which were decided by the Honorable Single Judge by means of judgment and order dated 4/9/2015, though recommendations had been made for grant of out of turn promotion prior to issuance of the government order dated 7/6/2014 and the incidents on the basis of which such recommendations were made had occurred prior to the said date prior to issuance of government order dated 7/6/2014. However, in none of the said cases the matter was finally decided by the authorities in terms of the government order dated 3/2/1994. Full stop. To the contrary, in the instant case, the decision was also taken for not granting out of turn promotion to the petitioner on 5/3/2013, which became subject matter of challenge before the UP Public Service Tribunal in the claim petition filed by the petitioner. Para. Thus, this court, while examining the matter, is called upon to see the legality or otherwise of the decision taken by the respondents for not granting out of turn promotion to the petitioner, and such decision in this case was taken prior to issuance of the government order dated 7/6/2014. Full stop. Mere recommendation may not confer any indispensable right or vested right to seek out of turn promotion. However, the fact remains that the case of the petitioner was already rejected on 5/3/2013 prior to promulgation of the new policy by the state government by notifying government order on 7/6/2014. Full stop. The tribunal, while examining the validity of the rejection order dated 5/3/2013, has come to the conclusion that the case of the petitioner for grant of out of turn promotion was rejected unlawfully, and it is in this background that the tribunal had directed the authorities concerned to reconsider the case of the petitioner for grant of out of turn promotion. Full stop. Para. Having noticed the salient fact on which there is not much dispute, this court is firstly constrained to observe that there is no material of evidence to indicate what steps the corporation took between 30 April 1996 to 3 February 1998. There is not one shred of evidence to indicate as to whether any notice was issued to the petitioner during this period to participate in the disciplinary proceedings. Full stop. As noticed above, although the order dated 24 April 1998 asserts that various dates had been fixed by the inquiry officer appointed on 17 February 1997, on such notice has been placed on the record, nor have details of any such notice been alluded to or disclosed in the affidavit filed in these proceedings on behalf of the corporation full stop. Even the order sheet which stands appended along with the counter affidavit of the corporation refers to dates which were fixed in 1996 on the above state of the record. The submission of the learned counsel for the petitioner that the disciplinary proceedings were revived only in 1998 after a long spell of unexplained silence and inaction appears to have force full stop on 17 February 1998. The corporation, although being fully aware of the pendency of the disciplinary proceedings, proceeded to pass an order holding that the petitioner would be treated to full stop